Good afternoon to the students of class 7. Students, today we are going to do the next few sums of the chapter areas of rectangles and square. Come to question number 5. Let's read the sum first. The question is, Rajesh has a rectangular plot of land of length 36 meter and breadth 24 meter. There is a path 2 meter wide running all around the plot outside. Draw a rough sketch of the problem and calculate the following. So here few sub-part questions are there, but at first before answering the questions you will have to draw the rough sketch. So in the solution part the rough sketch has been drawn. Here you can see that the plot of land has been drawn of length 36 meter and breadth 24 meter, and the path of 2 meter wide is running all around the plot. So the first question is that we will have to calculate the length and breadth of the plot of the land including the path. So here this is the plot, right, and we will have to calculate this breadth and this length. That means including the path, whatever the length and breadth we will get, that we will have to calculate. So at first we are going to write the length of the plot equals to 36 meter and the breadth of the plot equals 24 meter. Now the width of the path as given in the question is 2 meter. So we will have to calculate the length. Children, see, this side 2 meter, this side 2 meter. So now this portion is 36 meter. Now this side 2, this side 2. You are adding 2 from both the sides. That means actually you are adding what? You are adding 4. So you will write the length of the plot of the land including the path, that is 36 plus 2 plus 2. So actually you are adding 4 with 36, which is 40 meter. Next, the breadth of the plot of the land including the path, that is originally the breadth was 24 meter. So with 24 you are adding 4. So 24 plus 4, that is 28 meter. So including the path, the length which you are getting is 40 meter and the breadth is 28 meter. So answer will be the length and the breadth of the plot including the path are 40 meter and 28 meter respectively. Next subpart, let's get back to the question. The question is, we will have to calculate the area of the plot of the land without the path. So that means we will have to calculate the area of the plot of the land without the path. That means without the path, this is the area, right? Let's just have a look at the diagram. See, this is the path which is without the, this is the area of the plot without the path. So now we are going to calculate the area. So length is 36 meter, breadth is 24 meter, area will be length into breadth. Since it is a rectangle, area is length into breadth. So 36 into 24, when you do, you will get 864. So you are getting 864 square meter as the answer. Next is, we will have to calculate the area of the plot including the path. So at first, in the first part only we have obtained the length of the plot including the path, which is 40 meter, and the breadth of the plot including the path, which is 28 meter. Now area will be length into breadth, which is 40 into 28, which is equals to 1120 square meter. Now again we have the area of the plot without the path, which is equals to 864 square meter. This thing we have calculated in sub part 2. So now we will have to calculate the area of the path. So area of the path will be equals to area of the plot including the path minus area of the plot without the path. So just let's have a look at the diagram. See, over here for calculating the area of the path means actually this, the area of this region you are calculating. For that what you will do, you are going to subtract the inside area, that means the area of the inner rectangle from the area of the outer rectangle. So you are simply doing the subtraction over here. 1120 minus 864, which is equals to 256 square meter. So this is your answer. Area of the path is 256 square meter. So we have the area of the path equals to 256 square meter. Now the next sum is question number 6. Let's read out the sum first. Maria's family has a square plot of land of side 20 meter. A path 1 meter wide runs all around it from outside. Find the area of the path. Again the same type of sum. Here the difference is that it is talking about a square in this question. So the side of the square is given, which is 20 meters. So you are going to write the solution. Let ABCD be the square plot without the path and EFGH be the plot including the path, which is also square. So the inside, whenever the inside ABCD is a square, when we draw a path of uniform width all around it, that will also be a square itself. So now you are going to write in square ABCD, length of side BC equals to 20 meters. So whenever the length of the side of the square is given, you can take out the area. Area will be side square, which is 20 into 20, that is 400 square meter. This is the area of the square ABCD. That means the area of the inside square or the internal square. Now it is said that the path of width 1 meter is running all around it. So that means you can calculate its side also. See, 1 meter width is running all around. So if this is 20, then the side of the outside square will be, the side of the external square will be 20 plus 1 plus 1. Why we are adding 1 from both sides? Because the path is running all around the 4 sides. So that is why we are getting the new side as the length of the side of the external square as 20 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 22 meter, right? So now you are going to write the area of the external square EFGH, which is equals to 22 into 22, which is equals to 484 square meter. Now again you know how to find the area of the path. Area of the path will be the area of the external square minus the area of the internal square. So you are writing area of the path equals area of the square EFGH minus area of the square ABCD. So now you are doing the subtraction here. 484 minus 400, which is equals to 84 square meter. So you are going to write the answer. Area of the path is 84 square meter. Alright children. So you are going to work out these sums in your classwork notebook. Thank you all for today.